uh, if there were karon nga nahuman na unya nakahuna-huna na mitanan no, I realize na my greatest outtake sa kaning nga war is money is not everything. Because some people think that their money will be enough to trump all the good work. What I would like to highlight is that relationships matter and that teamwork is very important. So, public office, being public trust, is really a relationship between the leader and its people. These are your leaders, and even here in the City Hall, we serve the people. And to be able to be effective, we have to nurture relationships. Muna mubalik ta sa matinud-anon, matinabangon, masaligan. Because that is the core of everything. Ikaduha, teamwork. And I am very happy to have been fighting and to keep on fighting alongside such beautiful, courageous, brave warriors, no? Who are not just skilled, who are not just passionate about serving Ormoc City, but are very efficient. So we are all like-minded people, all with one dream, to make Ormoc the most beautiful place that it can be. Again, on the note of teamwork, we will not be here without the support of the people. This hasn't been an easy elections because what they don't have in performance, unsay wala nila sa agi, ilang agion og panghadlok, pangrakrak, pangguba. But our kapitans are strong. I would like to thank our kapitans nga murag yung kap, murag yung mga bongbong na kung imong banggaon, di man sad matumba mo, bangga man sad. And nisuway sila og kamang kuot, wa man gyud sad sila kay nakamang og nakuot. And just for context, in 2016, we had 22 barangays na 13-0. In 2019, we had 13 barangays na 13-0. For these elections, out of 85 barangays, we have 74 barangays na 13-0. This was a beautiful war, and growing up, we were always read Bible stories. Pagkatug na, unya, in one of the Bible stories, na dito nga, Israel will always be at war. The Israelites kuno na silang destino nga nagigira. And when you are in public service, every elections, there is a war man gyud that will happen. So God told the Israelites, you will always be at war, but never mind because I will make you very skilled warriors. And that is what happened to Ormoc Development Team sa tantong gira. But always being aligned with God's will and seeking God's will and doing the right thing, even when the enemy is not doing the right thing, we have prevailed because we have God's favor. So, all this we lift to God. I'm especially thankful, dili lang sa tanan nga nibutar sa Ormoc Development Team, but sa tanan nga nangadji para sa Ormoc Development Team. Kaya ba kung gilubat-lubatan mo, but ayaw mo kalubat-lubat kay... Oh, the leader of the prayer warriors is my mother and the family members of the Ormoc Development Team. But in every war, remember this, in every war, it's not ang pinakasaba ang mudaog. In every war, it's ang kung kinsa ang mulahutay till the end. And that is what Ormoc Development has done repeatedly. Kung kinsa ang musustain, kinsa ang malahutay. And I thank all of you na ningduyog mo sa Ormoc Development Team. I would also like to thank Saint Joseph because my personal saint every time nga kanigyong panggira is Saint Joseph. And Saint Joseph, like Mama Mary, comes in many titles. Like si Mama Mary na Our Lady of Fatima, Our Lady of Guadalupe. My favorite Saint Joseph variant is Saint Joseph, the Terror of Demons. That is why if you go to sumangga, there is a big statue of Saint Joseph there. And that is the image of Saint Joseph, terror of demons. Every elections, anha yun na nako ihad. Even the elections sa mga barangay captains, he is who I pray to for guidance, for wisdom, for victory. So, kung muagi mo nga to, makakita mo ni Saint Joseph, no? Pag-abot niya May 1, which is also a feast day, naingon ko, niabot na ang akong chief goon. Wala man tay goons. So si Saint Joseph ang atong chief goons. We do not have goons. We do not act like criminals, but we have Saint Joseph. Ikaduha, I think also that every member of the ODT is anchored in prayer and wanting to do God's will. So I pray every night scriptures, no? And there is this one scripture that I would like to leave with you, and which encapsulates the battle that we have all been through. It says, Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Thank you. Thank you for this victory.